One of the best things you can do to stand out on LinkedIn is to make sure that your name and headline are very clear. So what I want to show you today is just how to optimize your headline so you get the best bang for your buck. So I'm going to go into LinkedIn. I'm going to go to my profile, view profile here. Now, if you haven't already optimized your banner, I would certainly think about doing that, but we're not covering that in this video. What I'm going to talk about is this bit here. So this is obviously your name, and this is your headline. Now, in the headline, you have 220 characters that you can use to basically let your audience know exactly who you are, what you do, who you help. It's 220 characters on desktop, but I think you get a few more if you do this on mobile. I think it's 240. So if you find you're running out of space, it might be worth doing it on your mobile instead. But basically, what we're going to do, we're going to come over here to this little pencil icon. I'm going to click into it. And this gives us the option to fill in our details. So some people will use emojis. I have done in the past just to make my name stand out. I've gone back to just my name. I'm going to play around and see if I think this makes a difference. I think these things tend to be a bit trendy sometimes. So I'm going back to basics and just having my name. You can choose your pronouns if you want to. And then here you get the chance to put in your headline. Now, I like to keep it very outwardly focused based around who I'm helping, and how, what the benefit, what the transformation is that they're going to get from working with me. And I've also included here a little bit about my program, just so that I've got an opportunity to promote that the minute somebody sees my profile. So you can change this. I've got a couple of emojis in here. I'm actually just going to take the rocket, I'm going to cut that, and I'm actually going to put it right at the front instead, just to see how that stands out. I think I'm losing my voice here. So you can see I've got my current position in there as well. So if I just hit save, you can see there my little emoji standing out. And what's good about making sure that you have this headline actually optimized is that when you comment on somebody else's post, or whenever you post something, they're going to see this as well. So if I just come up to my profile here, I don't know why I did that because I was already in my profile. If I go down to activity and I look at where I've commented on other people, if I show all comments, this is where I've commented on somebody else's post. Oh, here I've commented on my own. You can see helping coaches to move into the corporate market. If I look at, so here, for example, Mandy has shared one of mine. You can see I did have emojis in there up until recently. But as soon as anybody sees my profile, they can see exactly who I help. I help coaches to move into the corporate market. That's what I do. So every time I comment, there it is, helping coaches to move into the corporate market. So that means even people who maybe don't look at my profile, if they just see my comment, will be able to see straight away what it is I do. So that's it. I hope that was helpful.